Okay, let us try to find the derivative of y is equal to tan inverse ax plus b plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are constants. Okay. So dy by dx would be 1 by 1 plus ax plus b by cx plus d whole square, and d by dx of ax plus b by cx plus d. Right. Now this is equal to differentiation of ax plus b by cx plus d. B. Now this is now when you simplify the first part of it, so we get this as cx plus d whole square divided by, now this in the denominator will have cx plus d whole square plus ax plus b whole square, right? So multiplied, this is cx plus d, okay, cx plus d, differentiation of ax plus b will be a minus you will have ax plus b, differentiation of cx plus d will be c. So this divides by cx plus d whole square, right? Okay, now then after simplifying this, we get AD minus BC by AX plus B whole square plus CX plus D whole square. Okay, now let us see the next problem. Okay, so this is dy by dx would be sine becomes cos, and this will be square root of x by 1 plus x square, right? And d by dx of square root of x by 1 plus x square. Now this is equal to cos of square root of x by 1 plus x square, okay, and multiplied 1 by 2 root x by 1 plus x square, right? And d by dx of x by 1 plus x square, right? Okay, and now further this will be equal to this is cos, right, of square root of x by 1 plus x square. Now goes to the numerator, so that becomes square root of 1 plus x square by 2 root x, right? And multiply 1 plus x square into 1 minus x multiplied 2x. This whole thing divides by 1 plus x square whole square. Okay. Now then, after simplifying this, we get as cos of square root of x by 1 plus x square multiplied 1 minus x square divided by 2 root x and to 1 plus x squared to the power of 3 by 2, right? So this is the solution. Okay. Now let us solve one more problem. Y is sine inverse x whole square multiplied log of x plus square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so this is dy by dx is sine inverse x whole square. Okay, and differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so this is 1 divided by 1 divided by x plus square root of 1 minus x square multiplied d by dx of x plus square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, now plus, and now we'll keep a log x plus minus x square, right, multiplied, this will be 2 sine inverse x, right, multiplied d by dx of sine inverse x, right. Yeah, further this will be sine inverse x whole square divided by x plus root 1 minus x square multiplied 1 plus by 2 root 1 minus x square d by dx of 1 minus x square, right. Now the next term would be plus 2 sine inverse x, okay, and log of x plus root 1 minus x square, right. So this whole thing divides by square root of minus x square. Okay, so which is equal to sine inverse x whole square divided by x plus square root of 1 minus x square, okay, multiplied minus x by square root of 1 minus x square, right, plus, now you have the second term, which is 2 sine inverse x, right, and this is a log of x plus root 1 minus x square, right. So this whole thing divides by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, yeah, further, which is equal to sine inverse x whole square and square root of 1 minus x square minus x divides by x plus root 1 minus x square and square root of 1 minus x square plus 2 sine inverse x and log of x plus is root 1 minus x square divided by 1 minus x square. So that is the solution. Okay, we'll find a few more problems to find the derivative. So if f of x comma y is x cubed plus 3x y square minus sine y plus 5 is equal to 0, let us find what is y dash. Okay, solution for this. Now dy by dx is equal to, this is 3x square plus, we have x and y term here, so this will be 3, okay, and x plus 2y dy by dx, okay, plus y square, differentiation of x is 1 into 1, right, minus, this is cos y, and this is dy by dx, and the constant which is 0, which is equal to 0, right. Okay, so now that further this is 6xy minus cos y into dy by dx, which is equal to minus 3x square plus y square, okay, or dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square plus y square divided by 6xy minus cos y. Okay, so we got what is y dash here. Okay, let us solve one more problem. Now given f of x comma y is y cube plus 3yx plus 3 e to the power of y minus 2, which is equal to 0. We will find dy by dx here. Okay, and differentiating this with respect to x, so we get dy by dx, this is f dash of x comma y, okay, which is this is 3y square dy by dx plus 3 multiplied y into 1 plus x into dy by dx, okay, plus 3 multiplied e to the power of y into dy by dx, since with respect to x which is equal to 0. Okay, so let us take dy by dx common, so we get y square plus here 3 can be removed, y squared plus x plus e to the power of y multiplied dy by dx, which is equal to minus y. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to minus y by y square plus x plus e to the power of y. Okay, so this is the solution.